E36 startup problem. Documenting. I got it. Lights come on. Everything comes on. I don't know if y'all can hear that. Yeah, that's what I get. Does anyone know what this problem is? Thank you. Have a great day.